Hey there, fellow learners. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 natural ways to boost your machine learning skills. First, immerse yourself in the world of machine learning by reading books and joining online communities. Engaging with others can provide valuable insights and help you stay up to date on the latest trends. Next, challenge yourself by working on real-world projects. Whether it's a personal project or collaborating with others, hands-on experience is key to mastering machine learning concepts. Take breaks and recharge your mind. Spending time outdoors or practicing mindfulness can help you stay focused and avoid burnout. Remember to stay curious and never stop learning. The journey to becoming a machine learning expert is a continuous one, so embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Uplifting ending sentence: keep exploring, keep growing, and keep honing your machine learning skills naturally. You've got this.
Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about unlocking the power of neural networks and share some mindset tips and tricks to help you along the way. First and foremost, it's important to approach neural networks with a growth mindset. Remember that learning and improving is a journey, not a destination. Embrace challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth, and always be open to trying new strategies and techniques. Next, don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out resources when you get stuck. There are so many online communities, forums, and tutorials available to support you on your neural network journey. Remember, you're not in this alone. So, whether you're just starting out or have been working with neural networks for a while, remember to keep a positive mindset and never stop learning. The power of neural networks is truly limitless, and with the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to boost your confidence in machine learning, you've come to the right place. One key tip to boosting your confidence in machine learning is to start with the basics. Make sure you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals before diving into more complex concepts. This will give you a strong foundation to build upon and help you tackle any challenges that come your way. Another great way to boost your confidence in machine learning is to continuously learn and practice. Take online courses, read books, and practice coding regularly. The more you immerse yourself in the world of machine learning, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. Remember, confidence in machine learning comes with patience and persistence. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and challenging yourself. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence: so go ahead, take these tips to heart and watch your confidence in machine learning soar. You've got what it takes to succeed.
Hey there! Are you looking to boost your confidence, but not sure where to start? Well, you're in luck, because today, I'm going to share with you 5 natural tips on how you can use ChatGPT to boost your confidence. First tip: use ChatGPT to practice positive self-talk. By chatting with ChatGPT, you can practice affirmations and boost your self-esteem. Second tip: ask ChatGPT for advice on overcoming challenges. ChatGPT can provide you with valuable insights and guidance on how to tackle obstacles. So there you have it, 5 natural tips on how you can boost your confidence with ChatGPT. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing these tips and watch your confidence soar. Uplifting ending sentence: believe in yourself and let ChatGPT be your cheerleader along the way. You've got this. Hello there, welcome to today's YouTube Shorts, where I will be sharing essential routine tips to help you master ChatGPT. The first tip is to be specific with your prompts. Provide ChatGPT with clear and concise instructions to get the most accurate responses. Whether you're asking for advice, brainstorming ideas, or simply engaging in conversation, being specific will ensure ChatGPT understands your needs. Next, it's important to give feedback. If you receive a response that doesn't quite meet your expectations, provide constructive feedback to help ChatGPT learn and improve. This will not only enhance the quality of responses, but also personalize your interactions with the AI. Remember, mastering ChatGPT is all about practice and patience. By following these routine tips, you'll be on your way to having more productive and engaging conversations with ChatGPT in no time. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, put these